We'll guide you through how to recover Gmail messages that you've accidentally deleted. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu and click on Trash. This is where Gmail stores emails you've deleted in the last 30 days. If you find the email you want to recover, click the checkbox next to it to select it. Then, at the top of the list, click on the Move to icon, which looks like a folder with an arrow. From the dropdown, choose Inbox to restore the email to your main inbox. If you don't see the email in the trash and it's been more than 30 days, unfortunately, Gmail automatically deletes them permanently, and you can't recover them from here. However, if you believe the deletion was an error, you can use Google's Missing Mail Restore tool. To access this, search for Gmail missing emails in Google, and look for the link to Google's support page titled Recover Lost or Deleted Emails in Gmail. Follow the instructions on that page to report the issue. Keep in mind that this method isn't guaranteed to work, but it's worth a try. Also, as a best practice, regularly check your trash and spam folders to ensure important emails are not lost. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.